Here's how to activate your O2 eSIM quickly and correctly. First, get your eSIM QR code from O2. Open the My O2 app or log in on the O2 website. Go to Device Details, then Replace SIM, then get eSIM. O2 will generate a QR code. This is what your phone will scan to install the eSIM profile. Now, open the eSIM setup menu on your phone. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Mobile Data, then Add eSIM, or Add Mobile Plan. On Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then SIMs, then Add eSIM. Menu names may vary slightly by device. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code. Once scanned, your phone will detect the O2 plan and begin downloading the eSIM profile. Follow the on-screen prompts and tap Add, Activate, or Confirm when asked. The download usually takes less than a minute. If you already have another SIM or eSIM installed, your phone will ask how you want to use O2 for calls, texts, data, or as a secondary line. Choose your preferred setup. After installation, restart your phone so the network fully registers. When it powers back on, you should see O2 signal bars appear. If the QR code shows as invalid or activation fails, request a new QR code in the My O2 app or contact O2 support.